Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you because a lot of things is happening right now. Honestly speaking, there is fire on the mountain. The duty of progress, the analysis to bring everything to your notice. Right now, the Biafra Liberation Army just sent a message to Shetima and the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, about everything that is happening right now and the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to listen to him so that it will not look like I'm the one saying it. No, I want you to hear from the horse's mouth and do well to share the video. Listen to him, and I'll be right back.
We're here to update you of what transpired today because this is our land and we go nowhere. It doesn't matter how many the enemy, the intruder may be. I'm here to assure you that the more they come in numbers, the more they will fall in numbers. The more they comes in numbers, the more they will fall in numbers. Remember when I used to tell you before that when they come in million, they will fall in million. They come in thousand, they will fall in thousand. And when they come in hundred, they will fall in hundred. We mean it. It is very shameful to them that the work will not even last up to 1 hour. Very, very shameful to them. Yes. I didn't know. Maybe they just want to. There was a particular area they come to test if we are still there, and I then just come, then collect just very little falling and terrace, and they refuse to bounce back again. Some of them were saying that they didn't come to attack us; they just won't pass. How can my enemy pass in my territory? Is it possible? This is my area. Leave my territory. You wanted to pass, go where? And that was how they ran. Very few that collect. Very few, and wasted our energy and our time today, and that is what makes us very angry. But as you always say, whether they come or that other way. The only way that they can guarantee their life is leaving Biafra territory alone. Leaving Biafra territory alone. That is the only way they can guarantee their life. So if you think that we are here to joke with you, you are insane. You are insane. If you think we are here to play with you, you are in a big mess. So therefore, have it in mind that you cannot win this battle that you started. I've told you on time that we are the spirit that is ago. And we are back. We are fully back to restore what we died for. And if you think you can stop us, step forward. If you think you can step forward. Let us see what you have. What you have. Yatago, let's see what you have. We know they make mouth. We know they shout too much. We are just like erosion. We take our time and we are moving gradually, gradually. And that is why I tell you that we are not in the order to restore Biafra because every damn thing you did to us in the past, we must do it to you right now, even in the future. I'm telling you, you feel the pain until the shame will not allow you to hold any longer. Then out of pain and shame, you begin to beg us, please go. And we will give you the demand and what we need to take alongside with us. And you will not have any other option. Yes. If you don't know, now you know. I'm telling you the truth. We told you that we are here to restore Biafra. And we were called to do this. We were born to do this. And we were sent to do this. And you think we are joking? You say we are joking. It's okay. That we as a peace-loving people, the people that doesn't like fight, but not fearing fight, we give you option. I say, let us do it in a peaceful way, conduct referendum, let us decide, let the format. He said no, that we have no option, that it is a must. We remain in Nigeria. There's nothing in this life that is a must. Even a married do have divorce. we tell you, say, okay, we know one thing. We only know one thing. And that one thing is Biafra or Biafra. It's only one thing we know. And we gave you two options. Choose the peaceful way or choose the war way. You look at us, you measure us, say, look at them. Very small people. And you count us, you say you outnumber us. And then you say you choose war. Our market. You weigh yourself the same way Goliath was weighing David. You say, we get war mat, we get war instrument, we get arsenal, we get personnel. Even though our personnel is not enough, we will hire machinery. What did they get? Or should I tell you what we get? And when you weigh all those things finish, you now say you choose war. You begin to wage war with us. And I told you, don't try it. Don't start what you will not finish. You start. Where are you now? How far? Do you think it is by gigi? We still defeat you. Do you know why? Now we own this land. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. The earlier you understand this grammar, the better for you. And you cannot remove us from the land. This is the portion Nwachukwu Abiyama gave to our great-great-grandfather, that gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. How many times did I tell you that we are taking an oath to ensure that we hand over this very land, this same land of the rising sun, the land of Biafra, to our children and our children unborn. Without your presence, as a Fulani man, as a Hausa man, as a Yoruba man, without the controller of Britain, or whosoever you might call yourself. Yes, we have taken an oath to ensure that our children live a better life, live like human beings. Then we are taking an oath to ensure that everything called evil in the land of Biafra will be wiped away. And that is what we are doing. And you cannot stop us. They never born you to stop us. They never born you. The more you come harder, the more you die harder. At the end, you believe that indeed is the land of your ancestors, then go nowhere. Yes. You will also use your mouth to say it. I am telling you the gospel truth. That time is coming very soon. You will also say, you see that land is the land of their ancestors, and they go nowhere. Yes. Because they never born you to remove us from this land. We are coming in a grand style. Right now we are on Operation Python Must Die. As soon as we finish this Operation Python Must Die, you go hear our music. Yeah. You are going to hear our music. Because we tell you that the only thing that can guarantee your life, you cannot win this battle. You cannot. You waste your money, you waste your life, and you waste your time. I've told you before that we can be a good neighbor, and the money you could have been wasting, on those machinery, you can use it to develop your country. But you say no. America will deceive you. Britain will deceive you. They keep deceiving you because of what they are getting from you. And you, as a very foolish and idiotic human being, you believe them. You refuse to learn between Russia and Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine. Waiting pass you. What is stronger than you is bigger than you. How many times will I tell you that? Biafra is stronger than you. You cannot do anything again. The mistake you did in the past was to allow some of us to remain alive. The mistake you did in the past was to allow some of us, some of our parents, to remain alive. And we will never give you that chance again. Never. Never. We can never give you that chance again. So when we tell you that you cannot win us, believe you me, you cannot win us. Because we are fully prepared for you. You know you are fighting with the spirit. You are fighting with the spirit. And so this is the land of our ancestors. It belongs to us. And when we are asking you, those of you who survive, to go with your life, you say no, wait, tomorrow will be your turn. Yes. We are still here, and we will still remain here, and we will keep remaining here. On down. Share this message. Let it reach Tunumbu. Let this message reach Shetima. Pass this message to them. And please tell them that that is how they will delay moving their terrorist Islamic soldier. The more they delay removing them from Biafra territory, that we will also push this war to reach Lagos. We will push this war. Even when they remove them, we will still find them go Lagos to kill. We will find them go Abuja and Northerners. Now we are telling you to choose easier landing. You refuse. What is coming is bigger than you. What is coming is bigger than you. Yes. I don't want to talk much. So my good people of Biafra, these coward people just came to see whether where men used to stay relaxed, if they are still always there. And men respond to them that it's our territory. And then terrorists only to shout that they just want to pass. Don't need any terrorists in our land. Terrorists in our land must go down. They can't survive it. So stay tuned. Your men are very safe on the ground, fully prepared. Yes. And we have cooked a very delicious mangalamanta food for the terrorists. They will eat and they will never live to eat again. So don't worry. I've told you that what is about to happen, it will vibrate Nigeria. The war, not just Nigeria, it will vibrate the war. What is about to happen is going to vibrate the war. That prophecy that the great man prophesied, you know what he said? He said, what we will do to you, the year that will hear it, it will vibrate. It's about to fulfill. Just wait a moment, a little moment. That time, it is your people that will begin to carry stone and stone you everywhere, telling you, let them go, let them go, let them go. And we will say, we are not going. Just wait a little time. It will happen. Okay? Then you understand that. Then you remember when I asked you to choose a peaceful way. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all the Biafra activists in your prison. Fix the day for referendum. Let us go in peace. By doing so, die. You remain a good neighbor. But you say no, you want war. But I also tell you that if you choose war, you are the finished. You didn't believe me. Our market today. Our market. You cannot win. You will never win. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. Go and deploy more. Is your money finished? Go and hire more machinery now. Hire more machinery. Eh? You now bring techniques, say, since Igbo youth, and empower them to go and fight themselves. If you go and have any deal with Nigeria government and collect their youth, we are here to restore Biafra. Nothing more, nothing less. Give us Biafra and have your peace. Hold tight, Biafra. The truth is bitter. I'm not telling you to believe me or to take it. I am telling you so that you still hold it tight and Biafra go. When you try all your possible best to see that you can stop Biafra from existing, and then your best fail you, and Biafra still exists, then you will know what it means at the end. So keep trying. Your biggest dream is sometimes, somehow, somewhere, Biafra agitation will stop. Okokorikpa. They never burn you. If you don't know why it cannot stop is, you see my vein? The whole blood in me is Biafra blood. Without Biafra, I am useless. I am nothing. I'm good at death. Without Biafra, there is no need for my existence. Because this is the only thing that carried me on this life. This very life. What brought me into this life is this Biafra. So now you know that many of us that are here in this jungle are come for this purpose. And there is nothing you can do to stop us. Nothing. We are legion. I ask you a question. When they come to fight, you they see us for face? You only see us when we want you to see us. You can't see us. Go and ask John Cena. You can't see us. We they see you. We dey your back. When our PM tell you that he's more close to you than you close to him, you think it's a mere word. We dey very close to you than you think you close to us. Now we they see you. You cannot see us. Keep coming. I do not intend to go longer than this. But take it this evening that we can never leave an inch for you to occupy. That we will never stop until we destroy you in our territory. We can never stop. So that one you are crying, you are just crying. And we are telling you now that we can't stop. We are coming in full force. Yes, we are coming in full force. Wait till what is coming. Because it will swallow you at once. Wait. Then you understand that, indeed, like father, like son. You know the people that give birth to us. You understand us very well. You will. Good people of Biafra, keep supporting your people. Keep praying for your people. And then keep obeying the instruction. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. Don't ever think of sabotaging your people. It's more dangerous to you. Biafra is already here. So therefore, Chukwu Okike Abiyama will keep protecting you, will keep blessing you, and it will keep multiplying your doing. God bless Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Simon Ekpa, the good man, the great one, the PM of Biafra. God bless government of Biafra in exile. The Chukwu Okike Abiyama, the gods of our land, our ancestors, keep guiding and protecting this very army of liberation. The enemy will never see us. The weapon of their warfare can never have any prosper in our body. May God keep guiding and protect each and every one of you. The Revolutionary Army. I will not also fail to thank all of you, my followers, who have been doing upon yourself to check on me. God bless you. Share this message and also invite people to this link so that they can also get the first hand message and also share them. If the enemies of Biafra came to the land of Biafra, it is your brother, Holy Ghost, from the battlefield. From me, from the land of the rising sun, it is still good evening.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. So this update or this word is coming to you from Biafra Owo. So please, if you can check on him to get all the updates about him, so that you will also be current about the latest happening and how to keep people informed anytime they drop any instruction or any information, so that people will stay safe wherever they are, because you never can tell. If you share this video, you might be of a great help to someone that did not know exactly what is happening, so that everybody will be careful and know when to come out and when to go in. Because you might just say, oh, no way, nothing dey happen, let me stay wherever I am, but it's not our portion. So it's better for one to be careful wherever it is. That is why I do well to keep all my audience, all my followers, all my loved ones. That is why I keep you all updated, so that you will know exactly what is happening, because this moment is a moment for you to get all the information, all the latest happening, so that you can stay safe, talk to your family, so that they will stay safe at all times. So thank you so much, everyone. Share this video and let it go viral. Let people hear about the plan and what is happening and what they are planning, so that everybody will stay safe. And also we also wish for peace to restore to the land, and we are asking the federal government also to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that a lot of things will fall in place. So thank you so much once again, and do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I bring you all the updates back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.